The last time I was here, I was around 7, I guess. Yes, I guess. And it's so much smaller than I remember. I mean, that's natural, I guess. They're so afraid, but it's safe where I am right now. It's fine. It's so weird to see my sister being almost that age that I was when I was last time here. I got myself a little bit of color, I guess. I guess. Yeah, you could say that. It's not exactly tan, I guess. No, I never get tan. I just get red, and then I'm white again. So let's have this color instead. We're at Le Beau now, and that's literally a castle, old castle I guess, and destroyed castle actually, on a mountain, on a hill, and it's beautiful. So this is Le Beau, and I love it. It's so beautiful, the nature, the view, and it feels like rock climbing. It is obviously not, but I don't know. I guess that's my whole commentary for all the France vlogs. Look at this, it's beautiful. I can't tell you why I like it so much, but hey, it's beautiful. I guess you gotta get used to that. I'm sorry. By the way, I bought myself a shoelace to have like cord for my wrist, so I can film like outside the car as I did for the drive to here, and I feel so creative. Oh, by the way, my tripod is literally my key. My parents were wondering why I would take my keys with me like for vacation, because well, they're the keys for my home, like for my apartment and stuff. So could be a pretty expensive tripod to lose, I guess. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. Alright, let's go search for my family. They're somewhere in there.